When I first saw this on Amazon, I was looking for a microphone, obviously. I use the Rode Mic Wireless Go. And the reason why I wanted to upgrade to something better was that 32-bit float internal recording. And it was between the Rode and the DJI Mic 2. And the only reason why I got this one, I have no knife around me, was because of the discount you got from it. And I was really concerned about the whole, what was it called? The acceptable condition. Sorry about that. So when I saw this, I really did think it was going to be a great sale purchase because I was looking forward to it already. So this is what I'm doing. I wanted to kind of open this up and share my thoughts on Amazon's their second life for acceptable condition. So you get the instructions, and it's all sealed. Okay. You get all your stickers in there as well, so you could read that later. And this is it. Now I was tempted to get the Rode, but there was something I was really considering about this one, was the artificial intelligence or the noise cancellation, because I use the printers over here, and sometimes I wanted to do a stream or do something while it's printing, and I can't do it. But if this is able to cover the noise, then that's a win-win for me. So you got the case, obviously, and then you have this. Now, they said it was acceptable, but I can't see a flaw in this at all, at least the case. Micro USB-C. No, not micro, just a USB-C. Jeez. And you get your Desitin. This. Ooh, your Wildcats, okay. Still sealed too. Very nice. Oh, yep, you got two of them. So hopefully there's two mics in there. And the cable for, let's see, I'm assuming that's for the camera. But that's it. I don't get a cord at all, which is fine because I have a bunch of USB-C cords, but I have the case as well. I think that's all that comes with it. I guess nothing too fancy, so acceptable. And here is the finale. I really hope they're all in here. Yes. And they both work. And you got the magnets. Okay. All right with that. And they do work. That. Take that out. That comes off. Green light. Not sure really what that means. Another magnet right there. Then the transmitter. It looks dirty, but I really don't see like any kind of flaws. Like that's pretty nice, man. So your headphone and you're out. Power on button. No clippies missing for, and you got both the connections for your iPhone and your USB-C. I'm pretty sure that's all that comes with this thing. So if they work, that's a whole different story. So obviously I think the power works. And I think that's, oh, it's recording already. Check, check, 1, 2. Check, check, 1, 2. And I believe that's the noise cancellation. Check 1 2, check 1 2. So we'll go give that a shot. Inputs back in there. This is the other one. This is the internal recording, okay? Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Not check check, so we know which ones are which. We'll have the noise on there as well. Artificial intelligence or the noise canceling, whatever they want to call it. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. It is recording. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. It is recording. It is really slick. That is really nice. I don't think this all fits. Put that all in there. And I believe once you put it in there, it does stop recording. So perfect. This will be great when I go hunting. Or when I'm printing inside of this room. I can use the noise canceling. Rode didn't have that, which is kind of a bummer. I know when I did my comparison on it, it's not comparison, when I've done my research on it, I thought the Rode sounded 10 times better, but that's the only reason why. And because I had like half price on this thing, because it was in acceptable condition. So that's what it is. I got everything that I really hoped that was going to come in this package for an acceptable condition. I don't think I'm going to know how to put those away. Maybe I could 3D print something for that, but that's what it is. I am not too disappointed with that. It's a little dirty, but still tag on there. And I have a week or so to turn it in. But if I don't like it, then I will. I don't think I will though. So I appreciate everybody popping in here, checking out Amazon's Second Life DJI Mic 2. I hope that we can test it out, and I'll put the sound comparisons and do it again. Thanks for your time. You guys have a good day.